In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing. To start, ensure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Now, open the Instagram app and navigate to the profile section. Once there, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu, select Creator Tools and Controls. Then, tap on Switch Account Type and choose Switch to Personal Account. Tap on Switch to Personal Account to confirm the switch. If this method doesn't work, go back to your device's settings, scroll down until you find Help, and select it. Next, choose Report a Problem and choose for reporting the problem without shaking. Tap on Include and Continue and provide the details regarding the missing notes. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.